The tradition of African textiles is about storytelling, and it's about passing on our history. When this was outsourced, when China and India and even the Dutch were the main producers, so these stories were no longer recognizable because they were just commercial stories. My name is Wacy Zacarias. I am a designer, a healer. I enjoy the idea of learning a different way to do fashion, maybe a more human, in a kind of way, because we all know that fashion can be damaging to the environment. Started my label Woogie in 2008, and I think from the beginning it was clear that I had something different, because we have always used natural resources or waste in the production of our bags. So we've always recycled plastic or used straw. I met Jamila in 2015, and we started this other brand, which is Karingana. So Karingana is very much about storytelling. Shangana Nronga, Karingana wa Karingana is really how stories begin. And so for us, the whole design process has always been understanding what we want to tell in terms of the story. And in that journey, I also received the calling to become a healer. I think my work as a healer definitely starts to influence more my career as a designer, as I start moving from just sustainability into circular design, into having an interest in biodesign, which is a combination of in nature and design. Right now we're focused more on a project which is around healing plants. How do you use this knowledge, the medicinal property of the plant and the color dye that it brings to solve some of the health issues and some of the problems that we may have? Why couldn't you have, for example, a capulana that helps you with malaria? So healing textiles is very basically, how do you get the properties of the plants onto a textile? For this project, the initial research is going to just be with dyeing. But beyond that, we are also working on creating a symbolic language of the plants that we want to use to impregnate that somehow in the prints and designs that we make. And so for us, the symbology of African dialogue is very important, and we try and maintain that. I think this is the beginning of a movement. I think that we should all care about the clothing that we wear and what are the layers that are on us all day, every day.